Hello everyone. So we're gonna start with question number 4 today. In this, the question says a time-dependent force F equals to 60 acts upon an particle of mass 1 kg. If the particle starts from rest, the work done by force during the first second will be. So we have to find work done, which will be equal to 60 equals to 1 into dv by dt. We know, and we have been given the relation from here. So integration from 0 to v limits dv equals to integration of 6t dt. So therefore v equals to 6 into t square by 2 and limit 0 to 1. Therefore answer will be 3 meter per second for value of v. And when we find the v, we know that work done equals to delta k into e, delta ke, which is half into 1 into 9, which will be 4.5 joules. So answer will be answer number 1, 4.5 joule. Thank you everyone.